Admitschool.com. How to file H4 EAD documents, Form I-765, new, renewal process, USA. H4 EAD allows H4 visa holders to work legally in the US without any employer or location restrictions. Documents for H4 EAD application. Number 1. H4 EAD fees check, credit card. H4 EAD fees check for $410 payable to the US Department of Homeland Security. Number 2. Photo. 2 identical 2x2-inch photographs clicked within the last 30 days are required for the H4 EAD application. Write your name and I-94 number, ORSSNOR alien registration number, on the back of the photograph with a light gray colored pencil. Number 3. How to file H4 EAD using Form I-765. Download and fill USCIS I-765 form. Number 4. H4 status proof. Copy of H4 visa holder's most recent I-797 approval. Most recent H4 I-94 copy. If an H4 extension were approved recently, the new I-94 would be attached to your H4 extension approval, I-797, notice OR. Number 5. Government-issued photo ID document. Copy of passport's front, with photo, and back pages, with address, OR. A copy of your last EAD, both front and back, if any, OR. Number 6. H4's relationship with H1B. A copy of your marriage certificate in English is required to prove the H4 dependent's relationship to primary H1B. Number 7. H4 EAD eligibility proof. Primary H1B spouse's I-140 I-797C approval notice is required to prove H4 EAD eligibility. Number 8. Current H4 EAD copy for renewal. An existing EAD copy is required only if you already have H4 EAD and you are applying for renewal or extension. H4 EAD application package. How to fill H4 EAD form. Concurrent filing, H1B, H4, H4 EAD. H4 EAD renewal documents. The document list is the same for H4 EAD renewal or extension as for the new H4 EAD application mentioned above. It is possible that the start date for the H4 EAD extension is in the future. Apply SSN with EAD. FAQ. What is H4 EAD processing time? The current H4 EAD processing time is 2 to 7 months. It changes every month with each USCIS service center. What is the H4 EAD eligibility category? H4 EAD eligibility category code is C26. How much time does it take to get EAD card after new card is being produced? Status. You will receive your EAD card within 1 to 7 working days after new card is being produced. Case status. Which receipt number to write in question 29 on H4 EAD form? For example, if you landed at Washington Airport after completing the immigration process at Abu Dhabi Airport, your I-94 record will show the MA, Abu Dhabi INTL, as the port of entry. What is spouse eligibility degree on Form I-765 for H4 EAD?